In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in Haiti using cash. We found free Bitcoin exchanges in Haiti that accept cash, and those free Bitcoin exchanges are local Bitcoin, Bitcoin ATMs, and MySim Local Trader. There will be one button on MySim Local Trader and Bitcoin ATMs, and that will say Buy Bitcoin, and that will be highlighted in green. There will be one and two buttons on local Bitcoin, and that button will say read review and buy Bitcoin, and they'll be both highlighted in blue and green. You can also read the pros and cons, which stands for positive and negative. For example, Bitcoin ATM. Pros, our map makes it super easy to find a Bitcoin ATM near you. And cons, Bitcoin ATMs often have 5 to 10% fees per purchase. So that is an example of Bitcoin ATM's pros and cons. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you want to find more information, go to the Weescon website, or you can click the links in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to buy Bitcoin and Haiti using cash.